I'm going to show you exactly how to share a Google Sheets link with others, step by step. Open the spreadsheet you want to share. I've got mine open, and the first thing we need is the green share button in the top right corner. Click that share button. A dialog appears with your own email at the top, a list of people who already have access, and an input box underneath that says Add People and Groups. Click inside that box and type the person's email address. I'm going to use maya@example.com. As you type, Google will suggest matching contacts, so if the right name appears, click it and the address fills in. Then press Enter, and the address turns into a chip with a role dropdown beside it. Next to that chip, the dropdown usually says Viewer by default. Click it. I'm going to choose Editor because I want Maya to make changes. If you just need someone to look at the file, Viewer is the safe choice. Commenter is the middle ground and lets them add notes without touching the data. I'd skip Editor for anyone you don't trust completely. Below the invite line, there's a checkbox that says Notify People. Make sure it's ticked so the person actually receives the email. In the message box, type a short note so they know why the file landed in their inbox. I'll put, "Here's the sheet for the budget review." If you leave the message blank, the invite still goes out, but it looks a little bare. Before you hit send, click the small gear icon in the top right of this dialog. I always uncheck the box that says editors can change permissions and share if I'm inviting someone outside my team. That keeps them from adding more people without asking. Click the back arrow to close that settings window, then hit send. The dialog closes and the person you invited now appears in the sharing list. They get an email with a button that opens directly into the sheet. Now let's make a general link you can paste anywhere. Click Share again. In this same dialog, look below the invite field for the general access section. It says Restricted right now. Click the drop-down that says Restricted and switch it to anyone with the link. If that option is grayed out, your workspace admin has blocked link sharing, and you'll need to stick with the specific people method. With anyone with the link selected, a second drop-down appears next to it that controls what strangers can do. I'd leave this on Viewer unless you're intentionally inviting people to edit. An open editor link is the fastest way to get a clean sheet wrecked, because anyone who gets that link can change any cell. Before you copy the link, double-check that permission dropdown. The wrong choice here is how edit access leaks out. Set it back to Viewer now if it has changed, then click Copy Link. You'll see a small confirmation pop up that says Link Copied. Click Done to save the sharing change. Now paste that link wherever you need it. I'm pasting it into a new email message. Anyone who opens it will see the sheet in read-only mode. You can test a link before you send it. Open a private browsing window and paste the link in the address bar. If the sheet opens the way you said it, you know the link is good. I do this when I'm sending sensitive files outside the company. Once the link is out there, you can still pull it back. Click Share one more time. In the General Access section, change anyone with the link back to Restricted. That immediately stops everyone using the old link. The only people left with access are the specific people you added earlier. While you're in that dialog, you can also confirm who has access. The list under Share with People and Groups shows each person and their role. If you ever need to remove someone, click the drop-down next to their name and choose Remove Access. If this helped you share your sheet, hit the like button, subscribe for more Google Sheets walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.